Now, may I request the Honorable Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, to make his address.
Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways and MSME, Shri General V.K. Singh ji, retired, Honorable Union Minister of State for Road Transport and Highways, Shri G. Kishan Reddy Garu, Honorable Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri A. Giridhar Garu, Secretary North, Shri Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhuji, Chairman NHAI, Shri I.K. Pandeyji, Director General North, and my ministerial colleague, Shri Shankar Narayan Garu also. Respected public representatives and other dignitaries present in the virtual conference, participating in the Bhumi Puja of projects ready for foundation and dedication to the nation of completed projects in Andhra Pradesh. A very warm greetings to all of you. Under the visionary leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji and our dynamic leader Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, with his visionary approach, has transformed the national highways infrastructure in the entire country by increasing the pace of construction of national highways from 12 kilometers per day back in 2013-14 to around 30 kilometers per day as of now. It became possible only because of the innovative financing of the projects, raising resources from different sources, and taking up construction on hybrid model and TOT model. All these concepts were new until our visionary Mr. Gadkari ji took up this initiative. I'm very happy to mention here that the auction of the first bundle of TOT raised 10,000 crores for a period of 30 years, and out of this 682 kilometers, out of the 682 kilometers, around 442 kilometers is in Andhra Pradesh. So I thank you for the commitment what has been bestowed on Andhra Pradesh. With the great vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the dynamism exhibited by Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, 22 greenfield express highways of about 7,800 kilometers are being taken up at an estimated cost of 3.3 lakh crores to bolster the economy through seamless road connectivity. It is heartening to note that 6 greenfield express highways are passing through the state of Andhra Pradesh with an overall length of 375 kilometers. Sir, I am thankful to you for your cooperation in converting 2,667 kilometers of state roads to national highways out of our total length of 6,880 kilometers during your tenure. Today I am happy to participate along with you in the foundation laying ceremony of 16 projects worth 7,584 crores and inauguration of 10 projects worth 8,038 crores. I also convey my sincere appreciation for the immediate steps you have taken to give consent on the proposal sent from the state government for various four-laning and tribal area connectivity projects. I convey my special gratitude for sanction of 3-lane west side flyover at Ben Circle in Vijayawada based on my personal request during our previous meeting at New Delhi. My profound thanks to you, sir. Sir, we also need your continuous support for the development of connectivity infrastructure in Andhra Pradesh. If I may ask of you, I'd like to request you to sanction a few more projects, sir, what are of importance, what are, I would not I would not mention of these things if these were not so important. These are very important projects, sir. And we've represented some of them, and the others, of course, we would send it to you in due course of time, sir. But since the occasion has come up and since we could not meet you in person, thanks to this COVID, so I just hope that you would not mind me in this occasion raising these issues also. With your kind permission, if you permit me, sir, I would just take another 5 minutes of your time in mentioning these projects to you for your kind consideration. You had sanctioned funds to the tune of rupees 2,611 crores under Central Road Fund during the previous regime, sir. But unfortunately, the state did not get any sanction in 2019-20 and 2020-21 after my government has taken charge. I was informed that the ministry has already taken positive action on the first phase of proposals to a tune of 680 crores. The second phase proposals to a tune of 820 crores is submitted to the ministry for your kind sanction, sir. The second in line, sir, Vijayawada city needs bypass roads to ease the growing traffic. On the west side, one such bypass is already sanctioned and work is commencing shortly, sir. On the eastern side, a length of 78 kilometers against 189 kilometers proposed for the entire ring road needs to be taken up, sir. Out of this, the portion connecting to NH65 and NH16 with major bridge over Krishna River having a length of 52 kilometers may be taken up in the first phase due to sufficient traffic and connectivity, sir, to Machilipatnam port, which will add traffic further as this part is due for construction, and this would make the project even more viable, sir, once this port comes up. It is my sincere request to consider sanction of this project without insisting on state government contribution for the land acquisition cost, considering our plight, sir. Thirdly, sir, Greenfield Express Highway connecting Bangalore to Vijayawada via Kodikonda checkpost, Puluvendala, Muddanur and Vijayawada may be taken up in phase 1 in view of its importance, sir, in giving better connectivity for the hinterlands and backward Rayalaseema districts to central Andhra Pradesh and Bangalore, sir. Fourthly, sir, I have just 8 points to go, sir, and this is the fourth. I'm halfway done, sir. Fourthly, sir, additional allocation of rupees 220 crores for widening urban link of NH42 in Anantapur town, 4-laning including the ROB, in addition to the rupees 90 crores already provided in National Highway Annual Plan for the year 2020-21, sir. Fifth point being, sir, sanction of Narsapuram bypass on NH216, which includes construction of a bridge on Vasistha Godavari for providing good link between East Godavari and West Godavari districts, sir. The sixth point, sir, sanction of upgradation of 2 lanes with paved shoulders for the stretch from Kavali Udayagiri to Sitaramapuram of NH67, BG costing around 450 crores in the additional sanctions in National Highway Annual Plan during 2020-21, sir, and 2021. This will connect Nellore districts to YSR Kadapa, Prakasham and Chittor districts. Seventh point, sir, comprehensive development of 25 port connecting projects with a total length of 400 kilometers connecting our 5 important ports to the nearest national highways for propelling economic growth by creating connectivity from the ports to the industrial nodes and consumption centers without insisting on providing free ROW, sir, from state governments. Sir, as you're, the 8th point, sir, the last point, as you're aware, sir, that our government is developing Vizag as executive capital, it is all the more important to have an alternate connectivity from Vizag to Bhogapuram International Airport, sir. I request you to take over the beach road in Vizag and develop 4-lane coastal highway up to this Bhogapuram International Airport, sir. So these are the 8 important projects, sir. We've sent some of them already to you, and the rest we will also be sending it across, sir, for your kind perusal. Having put forth our request, sir, I once again sincerely thank you for keeping the needs of Andhra Pradesh close to your heart and sanctioning projects for all-round development of road infrastructure in Andhra Pradesh. I assure you, sir, our full cooperation from the state government in expediting execution of all the projects through continuous support for land acquisition and resolution of local issues. I look forward for your visit to Andhra Pradesh in the near future for a first-hand review of the projects and sustained cooperation. Thanks a lot, sir, for having graced this occasion to inaugurate and also to lay foundation stones for almost 15,000 crores worth of projects. My sincere thanks to you, sir.
On the occasion, now may I request the Honorable